Zechariah spoke to a weary land, broken from exile, dust on their hands, trying to rebuild through the fear and strain, holding on to hope through the loss and pain. Walls felt fragile, faith felt thin. Questions were loud from the world around them, but God sent visions through the darkest night to lift their eyes again toward the light. My house will rise, my line is drawn. Jerusalem will see a brighter dawn. Not by despair, not by human fame, but by the faithful power of His name. Behold your King, humble and near, riding in peace, driving out fear, righteous and saving, gentle in might. He comes with mercy, He comes with light. Behold your King, lift up your song. The wounded and waiting have not waited wrong. Through every promise, through every scar, God is restoring who His people are.
The temple stones were heavy to raise. Opposition came in 100 ways. The harvest was thin, the future seemed far, but heaven was still writing grace through the scars. Zechariah called them, do not lose heart. God has remembered you from the start. The measuring line stretched over the city again, a sign that the Lord still dwelt with His friends. Yeah. From the rubble to the promised line, God was moving in His perfect time. Not just a building, not just a place, but the people being formed by grace. Then the vision turned and the branch appeared. Priest and king, the one long feared and revered. Humble on a donkey, but holy in flame. Jesus the Messiah, forever the name.
Rejoice, O Zion, your King has come, now with a sword and a beating drum. Lowly and righteous, yet strong to save. A servant king with power to raise. He builds a kingdom, He brings the peace. In Him the striving and sorrow cease. The branch will stand and the nations will know the glory of God through the one He chose. So teach my heart to trust your way when the work is slow and the skies are gray. Your promises stand though the years are long, and every weakness can become a song. Behold your King, humble and near, riding in peace, driving out fear, righteous and saving, gentle in might. He comes with mercy, He comes with light. Behold your King, lift up your song. The wounded and waiting have not waited wrong. Through every promise, through every scar, God is restoring who His people are. Dust to the city of grace, God keeps speaking hope into every place. The King has come and His kingdom stays, shining through ordinary faithful days. So lift your eyes, let your worship sing. Peace has a name. Behold your King.